book and your math journal to get a little idea of what kinds of things are coming up in 5th grade. And one of the activities that you did in the student reference book was learning how to use the page and the check your understanding questions to help you figure out how to do a certain kind of math topic. Now, tomorrow in class, you are going to be doing a little scavenger hunt activity. You're going to be working with a small group and using the student reference book to help you complete this scavenger hunt. Let's take a look at the directions at the top of the page. Now, I am on page 2 of your math journal. So grab your math journal and open it to page 2. Now let's take a look at the directions. The object of this scavenger hunt is to score as close to 90 total points as you can. Solve the problems on this page and page 3. Use your student reference book to find information about each problem and record the page numbers. Now let's take a look at how this works. Here you have problem 1. Circle the prime numbers in the following list. Now, you may already know which numbers are prime numbers, but let's suppose that you have no idea how to answer this problem. In your student reference book, you need to find information about prime numbers so that you can answer the problem. Now, if you think about keywords like prime, that's what you need to look for in your student reference book. Now, sometimes a table of contents can be helpful for finding things in the book. Other times, the index is a better way to go about locating things. I highly recommend getting used to the index and how that works. Everything is organized alphabetically, and when you find your prime numbers, it will have page numbers listed after it. Those page numbers tell you where in this student reference book the words prime numbers are going to come up on those pages. Now that doesn't mean, though, that every one of those pages is going to be helpful to you for figuring out how to solve a problem with prime numbers. So you're going to have to actually look at those pages and see which one of these pages is going to help me. I need to know what prime numbers are. Now, once you locate that page in the student reference book, you need to write that page number down right here. And after you write that page number down, figure out how to solve a question about prime numbers and answer the question. We'll be doing this work tomorrow, and you'll be able to work with a small group. But I want you to be prepared so that you know what to do when you come to class. The cool thing about this scavenger hunt is that getting the right answers is not the most important part. You'll see over here when we score, and I don't want you to get worried because this is all just for fun and exploration of the student reference book. But when we score this, you'll get points for having the right answer to the problem, but you'll only get 3 points for having the right answer to a problem. For having the right page in the student reference book, however, you will get 5 points. So as you can see, the most important thing is to be able to locate things that you need in the student reference book. I look forward to seeing you in class tomorrow, and congratulations on making it through finding your very first flipped video.